As our industry stood still, ideas were churning beneath the surface. Water is an essential element, one that inspires us to reimagine our technology to be safer, smarter, simpler. Now comes a wave of innovation. This is Element, a safer, more sustainable way to heat and purify water. A smart, connected solution with real-time data reporting across devices. And a simple, accessible interface designed for every user. This is the future of water management and the world's first hot water wellness solution.